Alright, today we are going to fill the AC on a 2011 GMC Acadia. What you need is something similar to this with, you don't even need a gauge on it, but it comes with a gauge and a rebate. And so the first thing you do is open the hood and realize that this is not it. Sure seems like it should be, but it's not. The low pressure side to fill your AC is completely underneath the car, upside down. So let's see if we can go there. Okay, so here we found it. I know my arm's in the way, but if you can see my finger right down there. So I had to go straight down from this one. There's a big line coming out of the compressor that's actually big because it's insulated, so that's the line we want. So I'm going to get my hose hooked up to it probably from underneath, turn the engine on for 4 minutes and get it pumping, the compressor really running, and then fill it. Alright, in doing this fill job, one thing to notice, there's a little cap down there, and then this just slides back and pushes on and locks, kind of like an air compressor lock. So it's fairly easy to put on. Once you slide it in the hole, it frees up a little bit and just pops forward. So it's easy, quick connect. Okay, so the process is fairly simple. I'm in the green. When the compressor's running, I just pull that lever, shake the bottle a little bit, and it's filling up. So this bottle is now empty, but I just transferred all the contents down into here so I can get another bottle next summer. But that's basically how you recharge the AC on an Acadia. I was able to do it right from the top here, and then the gauge shows when the compressor's on and off. It's nice and full in the safe green range now, so hopefully my AC will be nice and cool. Alright, well, that's how you fill the AC on a GMC Acadia. It's not that hard. The only difficult part is finding the low pressure line, and it's on the valve right down in the hole here. Connect this. I got a link to where you can buy this stuff from Amazon if you're interested in that. So check that out. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Tell your GMC friends.